so maglalaro tayo ng That's Not My Neighbor. Warning, this video game contains flashing lights, the character and entities present are click cues and any present hindi ko natapos. Oh my god. So let's start. Click continue, play record, big option, play time. Thank you. My God, I'm super excited. Sa gusto ko lang makita si Nook. Oh my God. Hello. Marguerite Bubbles. Okay. I'm a resident of the building. I went out for my job as a seamstress. Okay. Apartment. CO2, CO3. Okay. You have the is it on the business? Let's see the ID. 10, 32, 68, 01, 45, 90. Okay. 10, 32, 68, okay. Okay. The ID is okay. Ambulance is seamstress, curly hair, deviated left eye, round nose, big smile. Okay. Let's see this. Okay. I can't wait to see the milkman, bruh. Okay, McKay, Steven Wood Boys, F0203. I'm a resident of the building. I come from my job as a pilot. Okay. Yung internet course niya ay okay naman. And the logo is okay. Steven Wood Boys. 56, 58, 45, 45, 59, 65. Okay. 56, 58, 55, 59, 65. 56. Aray ko. Windows, first class, and short hairs, model. Wait. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay naman yung appearance. Okay naman yung appearance. Is it on the today's list? Steven Boys. Okay. Nasa list siya. And let's check ano yung ID. Oh my god. Okay, ID. 658. Okay. Okay naman yung ID. So let's... Yes! Walang malipot na yung video, ha? Oh my god! What is that? Grass. What is this? Everything is clown? Wait lang. Every night all over the world, hundreds of people see this clown in their dreams. If this clown appears in your... Okay, nabasa ko na. Wait lang. Ay, yung entry request ko muna. Roman still ski. I'm a resident of the building. I come from my job as a public occupant. Okay. Appearance. Wait lang, i-number muna niya. Roman still ski. 48, 39, 24, 05, 96, 84. 48, 39, 24, 05, 96, 84. Big nose, car on watching long face, one eyebrow, wears a hat. Okay, let's see if dala niya ba yung ano niya. 1152. Yan. Hello? Oh. Hello? Hello? Oh, wala. Oh. Appearance is okay. So, to this list. Tignan natin. Yes, he is. Okay. Okay. Sana hindi magkamali. Oh my! Ew! Oh my God, God. A deer. Hello, man, dito mo ka. Butas-butas. Okay, protocol complete. You will continue your job. Thanks. As expected. Where is your ID and entry address? Oh, okay. Let's see the ID. 59, 45, 69, 72, 36, 51. No, still, Stilinski. I'm a resident of the building. I went out to visit my mother. Okay. 1152. 89, 45, 46. Okay, she is a housewife. Big lips, small and right, left cheek, round face, short hair. Right. Sana tama. Oh my! My God! Why is your appearance not okay? You can spread them out. It's not okay. Oh, love. Lawyer. Big nose for men and mustache is a mono. First hat, round face. Robot na agad. 42, 58. Ito ba naman sumagat? Kathleen speaking. His hat. Bra, his hat. Bra. Okay. 12, 05, 48, 09, 47. Okay. pink. Merong ay pink. Oh. So, 3, 2, 1. Ilan naman yung lockman? Bilis! Ano ba? Oh my god. Hey! What's your ID? Key to key. But, oh, everything is fine for me to you, so. Oh my god. Sa wakas, nakita din natin. Who are you, bruh? You want to kiss me? Okay. You are on today's list ngayon, bro. Notice me, sa banker. Alright. Say small on my cheek, short hair around those. Okay, you're fine to me. Saan lumapen? Ah? Ba't ganyan mukha mo? Ayun na, makulit sa atin. So, ayun na nga guys. Namali tayo. Bye-bye.